Hi friends, today we will see the indexes in the MongoDB. What are indexes? Indexes are the special data structures that optimize the data retrieval speed in the MongoDB. Indexes stores a fraction of data in a more searchable format. They enable the MongoDB to locate the data faster during the queries. Indexes are the separate from the collections, and indexes can have the multiple fields. Actually, we are going to search when the using the field name. Using the field name, indexes is usable at that time. Indexes will make the search faster, like it will going to take the less amount of time and it will give the result instead of the long time. Benefits of the indexes. Benefits of the indexes means faster querying. Indexes are drastically accelerate the data retrieval and particularly for the large collections. Efficient storing, and indexes facilitate the rapid sorting based on the specific field. Improved aggregations. Aggregations operations becomes more efficient with the optimized indexes. Indexes on the multiple fields. Complex queries can be executed efficiently by utilizing the multiple fields in the indexes. Explain. Explain is the method if you have to examine the how indexes, like how this total time taken by the while retrieving total time taken by the while giving the result. Like if you want to search for something, like if you want to search the from documents from the collection, in that case, if you want to search the title is like some name or some title or some other, like using the id, if you want to search that thing documents, but in that document it is going to normally if you searching that, it will search that all the documents, like if you have that 3000 or 4000 documents are available in this collection, it will take the all the documents and search that it is present or like it is present or like it will go to make the equal operation and it will go to give the documents. But indexes helps under the makes that easier in that process. It will makes that easier in the process because of it will short the it will short the fields and it will give the result. If you want to see that how this index retrieval operation total time taken, if you want to use if you want to see that how to total time taken in the milliseconds or seconds, or how many documents are examined, like you have to use the explain method. In that explain method, if you want to see, I will go to the cmp mongo sh use collections. See, show collections. In this collection db dot photos dot find. Find is used to retrieve the data documents. See, documents are given. If you want to see the how many documents are there, use the count method. See, 2616 documents are available. If you want to see the examine method, db dot photos dot find dot explain. See, it will give the some examinations, like what query you have used, like parsed query. We did not use any query, we have used only find operation. If you want to use the query, we can use that query also. id gt of 4556. See, first we are going to count this how many documents are available. See, 2560 documents are available. 2560 documents are available. If you want to see the explain method. See, we have used that parsed query is id greater than 56 query. Here we are not going to see. There is a one more method, explain execution stats. This we are going to pass to the that method. That method explain execution stats. If you see here, there is a one property called execution stats. Here execution success true and returned 2560 2560 and execution time in millis 1 second. Total key examined 0. Total docs examined is 2616. It is saying we want only the 26251 60, but it is examining that all the documents 2616 documents. If you see, we are going to use the see here we are going to retrieve this document. If you want to retrieve this document, see, if you want to retrieve this document, we are getting this document. But if you see the dot explain execution stats, see here, come to the execution stats, execution success true and returned 1, execution time millis 1, but see here document examined, document total documents examined is 2616. But if you here we want only that one document, but it is examining that it is examining the 2616 documents. See, like in this case we are going to use the indexing concept. See, I have written like this. See, if you want to manage the indexes, like creation of indexes and how to drop the indexes, how many how many fields have the indexes column. If you want to see this, here we are going to see. First, if you want to create the indexes, see like this. db dot collection name dot create index of field name column 1 object of like parents curly braces of field name column 1. If you give the 1 means storing the indexes in the ascending order. If you give minus 1, storing the indexes in a descending order. If you want to create indexes like this, we are going to create. This is the example. See. Before creating, we are going to see the how many indexes have the how many fields have the indexes that you see this db dot photos get indexes get indexes. See, only underscore id have the indexes. Their name is called underscore id underscore. If you want to create the indexes, we are going to use the this create index db dot collection name dot create index db dot photos dot create index. Here we are going to mention the field name also. Field name I am mentioning the title column 1. See, here index is created. If you want to see this db dot photos dot get indexes. See, title column 1 index name is that name we are here giving is title underscore 1. Index is created. If you want to retrieve the data for this, using this, again execute this command. I'm again executing this command. See this. See now. See, execution starts is the execution time in millis 34, but total documents is examined 1. Why it is giving the 34? If you execute one more time, there is a flaw in this. If you execute one more time, see now, execution starts. Once again, see this execution starts after one more time execution time millis is 0. Total documents examined is 1. See now, there is a flaw in this tool or concept, but I don't know. But if you want to execute one more time, it giving the right answer. See here, it is giving the time in milliseconds that taken time, total time taken is 0 milliseconds, and one document only examined. But previously, what happened before giving the index as a title index, before giving the title for the indexing, it is taking the 1 millisecond, but it is examining the 261 second. If we have that 5,000 or 6,000 or 10,000 documents are there, if it there means it going to execute the 10,000 documents also. It will take the lot of time. But if you give the indexing concept, if you use the indexing concept here, title, it will retrieve only the for one comparison. It will only retrieve the one document only. If you want to drop the indexing, how to drop the indexing? See, how to remove the indexing or how to drop the indexing. db dot collection name now drop index. Here see example also I have written db dot photos dot drop index of field column title name, title column 1, or you can give the indexing name also, that db dot photos dot drop index of title underscore 1. cls db dot photos dot drop index, field name here is title column 1. Here see, if you want to see this, db dot photos dot get indexes, get indexes. See here, that index is removed for the title underscore 1. See here, I have executed this one, and I have created that index, and I have again examined that execution starts here. See here, one more is creating the unique index. Unique index means in the case of the users, in the case of the user registrations, in the case of the login and logout purposes, in the in that, if you have to register, first we are going to register the register into the website, register into the website. In that website, we are going to give the unique register, like unique id, like unique email or unique mobile number or unique username. In that case we are going to make this. If you want to retrieve the unique, we are going to give the unique column true. It will only take the only one item, like it will go not going to take the, it will not allows to, it will not allows to make the duplicate, like it will not allows to make the duplicate. See here how to create the unique. Here user registration form, if you want to add in that user registration form, if you want to, like db dot users dot create index of email column, I have made the email as a indexes and indexes also, and I have made this as a unique column true. Where did not use the indexes? Do not use the indexes, rarely used fields. If you fields are, some fields are there in the fields, if we are not going to use in the long period of time for the searching operations, or if you want to retrieve the fields using that field name, if you want to retrieve the documents using the field name or column name, in that case you do not give the you do not want to give the indexes for that. Do not use the indexes in the smaller collections. If you have this collection, you have that 10 or 20 or 100 is there. In that case, no need to give the indexes concept. No need to use the indexes. No need to create the indexes. Indexes requires the disk space and memory. Over indexing can lead to the resource strain and impact overall performance. It makes that performance degradations. That's all, friends. We are going to see the aggregations in the next session. Content, please like and subscribe my channel.